everyone, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Tone It Up lifestyle box unboxing for you guys. It is part of their Tone It Up nutrition plan and I am so excited because I am officially part of the Tone It Up nutrition plan. I have followed the Tone It Up girls for years, you guys, like years and years and years. I've loved their YouTube video workouts. I always do one every time I work out. I've done their like free bikini series, Love Your Body series, and you know what, I was like, why am I not a member? Like, I clearly love them, I do all their stuff, so why not be a member? And I think especially getting married, that totally motivated me and I really wanted something that would work for me, and I was like, you know what, let's sign up. And especially since they do have a bride series, I was like sold. And then I saw that they had this lifestyle kit, I was like, where do I sign up? So I'm going to be unboxing that for you guys today. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. Look at how cute this is. It's a blush pink with, I think, yeah, gold little writing. It says Tone It Up. So let's go and get into her. I just am a sucker for packaging. Like, they get me all the time. Ooh, and then it says start here, start now, start for you. So cute. I don't know if the camera will pick it up because it's kind of bright. If not, I will put a little clip here for you guys to see it. And the box opens like this. Ooh, I see a little postcard and it is Katrina and Karina here, and they give you a little note. It says, hey beautiful, welcome to our family, which I'm so excited to be a part of because the community is just amazing. And they write you a little sweet little message there. And then I have the goodies in here. I am such a nerd, so I love school. So anything to do with like a book, a cookbook, a textbook, anything, I'm all over it. So this is gonna be my new baby. And they launched their nutrition plan hardcover book. And it has everything about the nutrition plan, all the nutrition stuff about it, their story, as well as their recipes, breaking it down, meal 1, meal 2, meal 3, meal 4, all the snacks. I just love it because I love Pinterest and I love saving stuff, but sometimes I save too much stuff that I don't know what I've saved. So it's good to have this reference point just always available for me, and it's hardcover and it's just gorgeous. I mean, look at them, they look so pretty. And then this is what the back looks like. I definitely want to go to the beach now. These little goodies. So I see a booty band, and look how cute this is. It's a little mint one and this is a light one, and I've recently gotten into like doing booty band workouts, so this is perfect. And like I own almost everything from their Tone It Up Target line, so this is perfect except for this, which I'm excited that I got in here. And these are their Tone It Up Pop and Go meal prep containers. And with the Tone It Up plan, you do have to do like food prep just because it's just easier and it's fun, you know, it's like a Sunday activity. So I'm excited and I love these containers, and I wanted to get these at Target but mine was sold out, so I'm happy that they included it here. And let's open these up and see how they look like. It says hashtag TIU meal prep. And then they have this little mini one. How adorable is that? Same thing, hashtag TIU meal prep. And if I remember, like, you can pop these out. So see how like deep they get. They're not like super mini, which I think is great. And these will be perfect for like snacks. Was having some technical difficulties, but this is what the little container looks like. I think it's so adorable, and you can definitely put like your snacks in there, like your veggies and dips. I think it would be perfect. And then the big one as well pops out, which I think is so fun. I mean, yes. And same thing, you just put it and pop it. And I love these little like lids that just snap. I just feel it's a little bit more secure. And then I see a pop socket. I love my pop socket. Oh, my phone is charging, so I'm definitely going to be switching it to this one. And it just says Tone It Up and it's pink. Totally me, totally my aesthetic, so I'm excited about that. And then it has a little coupon for $10 off of your next order of Tone It Up protein. So that is amazing. I love their protein. Like I said, you guys, I own everything from their Target line. And I love their protein bars, The blueberry coconut one is my favorite, and then they have their protein. I love the coconut one. I've been like on a real coconut kick lately, so I've been loving those two items. Probably will do a little Tone It Up Target haul soon because like I said, I have a lot of their stuff. So that is everything that came in the lifestyle kit box. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are on the fence of signing up for Tone It Up, definitely do it. I love that you get access to all of their nutrition plans from like everything they've done thus far, and then what's to come. You will always get that, which I think is amazing, and you can just download it from your computer anywhere you are and then print it out and you always have it. Like I said, I was really excited to do the Bride series. I printed everything out and it looks so tasty. All of their food, like you don't think that it's a diet, you know, like a nutrition plan. It just tastes so good. Like you don't even miss anything. It's just amazing. So I definitely recommend it for you guys. It's just a one-time fee, and then you get all of their nutrition plans and you get to be a part of this amazing community that I just love. I love Instagram. That's why I started blogging and YouTube, just to be in a community that is surrounded by people that love everything that I do, and Tone It Up community does that too. It holds you accountable. You talk with other girls that are in the same boat as you, whether that be a Tone It Up bride or someone for the bikini series. You guys just get that connection, especially with the Tone It Up Studio app now. I just love that. So definitely recommend the Tone It Up nutrition plan and just the community. It's amazing. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post there all the time, daily, as well as all my Instagram stories. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.